Hello everybody, welcome back to another how-to tutorial, and today I'm going to teach you how to fix Lenovo laptop black screen but turns on, so that has a problem with a display. So first things first, what we're gonna do is we're gonna make sure if our Lenovo laptop has enough charge. So charge your laptop, then after that we're gonna reset our graphics driver. So we're gonna hold shift control and Windows can be for just hold it and wait for the graphics driver to reset. Then after that, if that works, congrats. And if it doesn't, we're gonna try if the brightness settings, ensure the brightness isn't turned all the way down. Then connect it to external display and see if the issue is with your actual laptop and not the external display. Then after that, if that doesn't work, we're gonna perform a hard reset. So battery removal if applicable. If your laptop has a removable battery, turn off the laptop, remove the battery, and disconnect the power adapter. And hold the power button for about 30 seconds, then reconnect the battery and power adapter and turn it on. That will reset it. So for non-removable battery method, if the battery is non-removable, disconnect the power adapter and press and hold the power button for 30 seconds. And yeah, guys, that's our tutorial for today. If that works for you, that's great. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye bye.